You found the perfect home, did the inspection, and boom, major issues. But now the seller is saying, nope, not going to fix it. So what do? Let's talk about your options for negotiating repairs, getting credits, or walking away. Hit the like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and let's dive in. First, don't freak out. Most home sales, just about every home sale, involves some type of repair request after the inspection. Sellers don't always say yes right away. It's all about the negotiation. Now, with that being said, here's some options. Option 1, ask for repair credits instead. The pros of this, you control the repairs after closing. No waiting on the seller's contractors, which can be a pain. And repair credits can help offset your closing cost. Now, the cons of this, they may not cover all the repair cost. The seller may lowball the credit amount, which that's not good either. A repair credit means the seller reduces the price or gives you money at closing instead of fixing the issues. This way you can handle repairs on your own terms, know they are done correctly, and just like you would want them. Option 2, negotiate a price reduction. The pros of this, it helps you lower your mortgage, no need to worry about upfront repairs, and the seller might prefer this over the actual work. They may not have the extra cash to make the repairs. We see that a lot. Now, the cons of this, you can't use the price reduction up front for repairs. The seller may not agree to a big enough discount. This will leave you paying for the difference. That's not good either. Instead of asking for cash back, you can negotiate a lower sales price to offset the repair costs. This is great if the home is overpriced to begin with. Option 3, walk away if necessary. You're not obligated to buy a house with all these problems. And the pros of this, it saves you from a money pit. Have you ever seen the movie? The kind of stuff happens. No unexpected repair headaches, and it keeps you in control of the deal. The cons of this, you lose time and inspection costs, which is minimal in the big picture. The market may have fewer homes available depending on what the condition of the market is, and you will have to start the buying process all over again. If your home has serious issues and the seller won't budge, you may have the right to walk away, especially if your contract has an inspection contingency. When should you push for repairs? If the home has roof problems, foundation cracks, electrical or plumbing hazards, HVAC failures. These are big ticket items that can cost thousands. If these show up, push for repairs or credit, or consider just walking away. It's no big deal. You don't want to buy it, you don't have to. Every deal is different, but you don't have to settle for a home with costly repairs. If you're buying a home and dealing with a tough seller, let's chat. I'm sure I can help. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real estate tips. Watch my next video for more home buying strategies. And until then, have a good one.